Hey, I want to show you how to quickly make a TXTVideo Direct background. It's really easy inside of Canva, and I'm going to show you with my Canva account. So here's what you would do is create a direct video, and typically you would just come over here, and I've got some video backgrounds that I made that I'm going to actually give you these at the end of this video. But this is how easy it is to make these. So I'm going to show you. This is a hair and nail salon. So I'm going to pull over a background here, and they look pretty good, pretty decent here. So here's how you make it. Go into Home, into your Canva. Now I have a Canva for Business, but you get this for free. So you want to create a design, and it's a 19 by 1080 is what you want. So I'm going to create that. Now here's the trick. You go into Elements, go into Grids, go into All, and grab this one. Slide it over, and go to your spacing, and make the spacing 0. Now the color that you want to put in the center is a certain color code that I found for you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start out with an element and get rid of that. Come down here to my shapes, hit All, take this shape here. What I want to do is put it right on the edge there, as close as I can, and then pull it down. It doesn't have to be exact there, but you want it exact on the edges here. So get as close as you can there. Now the color here is EEEDEF. It's a light gray color. And once you choose that, you just hit exit. Now here's the trick on, I'm going to come back here to Elements, go to Photos, and let's go to some of the recent ones that I've used. So let's come down here and choose this lady here. Now, see the crown? The crown there means it's a Canva for Work is what I use. So if you don't have Canva for Work, you'd be choosing some other ones that are just free, like this one, or even this one here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in and pick this one. Let's do this one. So I'm going to drop it in here, and then I'm going to drop it in over here. And then double click and just slide this one over. Hit Done. Double click here, slide it over, and what I'm going to do is get rid of his sleeve right here. Okay. So now I have a really good work surface to put some call to actions right here. And it looks like he's texting. So then you would just save it from here. Save it as a small file size and hit download. And I'm going to come over here to text video, and I'm going to load another one. So I'm just going to show this, show in folder. So you can see me dragging over here. Well, let's try that again. Okay, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to drag this one over here. There we go. Notice that little light gray background is there. Now, I'm going to show you some of the other ones that I made inside of Canva. And this is the neat thing. When you're inside of Canva, let's go back and name this. I'll just call it Backgrounds. To copy this, what I do is just come up here and copy it. So you can copy a whole bunch. Now what I'll do is delete these out and make it all ready to go. and just make a whole bunch of copies. And then when you download it, you're going to download it as a zip because there's multiple copies in there. So let's put this lady in here. Do this again. 2 times. Double click. I'm going to move just out of frame here. Hit done. And done. So we got another picture, and show you some people. This is a good one. I like this one. So I'm going to drag it over. Now here I want to make it just out of frame, but here I want to pull them in just a little bit here. And now you have a good work surface right there. And let's come down and do this one. And I'll put her over here. Now, this one's a little bit more challenging because I don't want the sleeve in there. Kind of looks silly doing that. And let's move her over just a little bit. I'm going to center her in that frame there. So what I'm going to do here, if it doesn't match up, I'm going to zoom it out just a little bit. And then I'm going to hold the mouse button down and just slide it over and move that slightly out of frame. Now, what you want to do is keep your lines concentric going or parallel right here. So if you have lines in here, you want to make sure your lines kind of keep in the same pattern. That's how easy it is to do. Okay? And here's another challenge here. Remember the one I had with the 2 girls talking to each other? Let's go back and drop them in here. I'm going to double click and pull her over. And I want to show you. See, the tables don't really line up. So what I'm going to try to do is line them up that way. Okay. So I'm going to hit done. And that's pretty close right there. Okay, so let's do one more. This is a good one right here. If you want some kids talking to each other, maybe you could do a texting about what they're going to do at the birthday party gym class. And that will look really good. So when you have all this done, you're ready to come up here and save. And when you hit download, if you have more than one image, it's going to download it as a zip. So that's how you do it. Now, I've got a special for you. It's not going to cost you anything. I just want to give people something back that have contributed to the group. So if you want I did 20 of these. I'll start out slow so you can kind of see what they look like. They've got that gray background in here. And I'll just give you these. They're all JPEGs. You can download them. I've got them on my Dropbox account. And just click the link below in YouTube, and I'll have a link to the deal. Just opt in, and I'm not going to send you any other emails. I just want to send you the link to all these. So, and I got some dog grooming, a doctor, maybe she's a dentist, electrician, contractor, plumber. So you got a lot. And then these right here, these are good ones for holidays, of course. And when they're sharing a secret, this is, if you have some good text right in here, this will get people's attention. It will stop them scrolling, and your objective is to get the click to the video. And this is about dating. This would be a good one about dating, just to get them out of Facebook from scrolling. So click the link in the description box, and you'll get all 20 of these, no cost. And thanks for being part of the TXTVideo Direct Club.